If Microsoft Word is showing error code 772, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including permission problems, account or subscription issues, or a damaged Office installation. The good news is that you can usually get Word working again without needing any advanced technical knowledge. So if you want to fix this problem quickly, stay with me until the end. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, try running Microsoft Word as an administrator. This is a simple fix, but it can solve problems caused by limited permissions. To do that, close Word completely if it is open. Then find the Word icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now open the document again and see if the error code 772 is gone. If Word opens normally, then the issue is likely related to permissions. If the problem still appears, the next thing you should check is your Microsoft subscription and account status. A lot of Word errors happen when the app is not properly activated, or when the wrong account is signed in. Open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com/services. Sign in with the Microsoft account that is supposed to be connected to your Office license. Once you're there, check whether your subscription is active, and make sure there are no payment issues, expired plans, or missing renewals. If your subscription is inactive, Word may stop working correctly. Also, double-check that you are signed into Word with the correct Microsoft account. If you use multiple accounts, it is easy to be logged into the wrong one, which can trigger activation problems and error messages. To check this inside Word, go to the Account section and confirm the email address matches the one tied to your Microsoft 365 or Office license. If it does not, sign out and sign back in with the correct account. Now, if Word is still showing error code 772 after that, the next step is to repair the Office suite. This is one of the most effective fixes because it can repair corrupted files or damaged program components. To do this, open the control panel on your computer and go to Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs, then click on it. After that, choose either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Quick Repair is faster and fixes common issues without needing an internet connection, while Online Repair is more thorough and can fix deeper problems, though it takes longer. If Quick Repair does not solve the issue, go back and try Online Repair. Once the repair process finishes, restart your computer and open Word again to test it. In many cases, this step clears the error completely and gets Word back to normal. If you want the best chance of success, try these steps in order. Run Word as administrator, verify your Microsoft subscription and account, and then repair Microsoft Office. That combination solves a lot of Word launch and activation errors, including error code 772. If the issue is fixed, great. If not, you may need to check for Windows updates or reinstall Office, but for most users, one of the steps in this video will do the job. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Word error code 772 quickly and safely. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.